Nobody talks about this $0 side hustle, but it's helping people make $50 to $200 daily, just by using ChatGPT. Millions of job seekers are struggling to write the perfect resume or cover letter. But here's the secret, most of them would pay someone else to do it for them. With ChatGPT, you can write high-quality resumes or personalized cover letters in minutes, no writing experience needed. Here's how it works. Step 1, post a gig on Fiverr, Upwork, or in Facebook groups. Step 2, ask the client for their work history. Step 3, use ChatGPT to generate a custom resume or cover letter, fast and professional. Some freelancers charge $25 to $100 per resume, and they're getting reviews daily. If you deliver quality, people will keep coming back. All you need is ChatGPT, Google Docs, and a free Fiverr or Upwork account. No upfront cost. No fancy tools. You don't need experience. Just take action. This is a $0 side hustle that works, and now you know the secret.